with warm days ahead, one of the things we can do to help on these warm days is to think about planning early. So things like clean the filters, so we can go up and we can, you watch our other videos about how we can go about changing and cleaning the filters on your air conditioning unit, making sure that all the objects are having debris in from front of the outdoor unit has been cleared away, so it's clean and clear. The other thing is turning on your system a little bit earlier, or at the start of the day, and setting it at a higher temperature than what you would normally want it to be. So that what we do is trying to cap the temperature in the room. By doing this, we have the unit working just to maintain the temperature in the room. It's much like your early concept about driving a car. If you were to maintain a speed, it uses less energy than, for example, if you were, or less fuel than if you were to put your foot flat on the floor and try and accelerate up hard. So the same with the air conditioner. If you are maintaining a temperature in the room, when you come home, instead of the room being at, say, 30 degrees or 35 degrees, if you walk into a room that may, for example, be 27 or 28 degrees, then when you get home, you'll be able to wind it down to a temperature where you feel, or you think is the right temperature for you. Your air conditioner may have more possibility of getting that temperature down to that temperature you're asking it to be if you've kept a cap on the room. If you allow the room to get away, you're then trying to, for example, if we use a car analogy, you're trying to get up a hill and you've got no run up, and you start at the bottom of the hill and you have to work really hard to get up the hill. Same with your air conditioner would have to be as well. It would take a long time to cool down the temperature. And the cost difference between running that unit at a lower output, especially if there's something like this, there's an inverter unit, it's going to be minimal amount of cost to maintain the room, but also you're actually coming back into a home that's actually a little bit more comfortable. And when you get back, you turn it down to the temperature you desire it to be, they're going to be able to find that the system's going to be able to achieve that outcome a hell of a lot easier than if you were start the unit at 35 degrees and try to bring it down to 24.